Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm Gargi. Today I'm gonna make a easy Indian style chili chicken recipe. So let's get started. Okay, here I took chicken, boneless and with bone, 500 grams, cubed onion, cubed capsicum, green chili cut into halves, grated ginger and garlic paste. Now I will add corn flour to the chicken. And then I will add soya sauce into it. Now I will add tomato sauce. Then I will add vinegar. Salt as per your taste and quantity. Sugar, half teaspoon, it's optional. Garlic paste, half of teaspoon. Now grated ginger, some of. Okay, now we will mix it. We will add an egg to it. Now we will mix it with our hands. Mix it well. Now it is mixed well. Take a karai, heat it, add some oil, heat the oil. Now marinate chicken, give it to the heated oil. Fry it well. Fry it till golden brown. It's fried well, almost fried now. Now we will take out of the karai. The chickens are ready. We will take it out from the karai. Yes, like this. Now we will add the rest of the chicken to the karai and fry it. Yes, fry it like golden brown like this. Now we will take out the chickens. These are the chickens, fried chickens. In the oil, we will add grated ginger, half tablespoon of garlic paste, cubed capsicum and the cubed onions. Onions and the capsicums are added. Now give it a stir. Add some salt to it. Green chilies. Stir well. Now we'll add the chicken pakodas to it. Vinegar. Soya sauce. Black pepper powder, tomato sauce, red chili sauce, sugar, mix it well. That is all mixed up well. Now we will add some of water just to mix all the masalas and sauces well. Now it is about to boil. We will close the lid. Now the lid is open and the chili chicken is ready. You can see the color. Now we will add some spring onion to it. And now it is ready. Our Indian style chili chicken.